everyone, today I'm going to show you how to dye your beard with silknstone Herbal Henna Hair Color. What you will need is silknstone Herbal Henna Hair Color powder. There are a variety of colors to choose from on our website at silknstone.com. You will also need warm to hot water, about 70 to 75 degrees. Usually tap water works great. You will need a mixing bowl made of either stainless steel, ceramic, or glass. You will also need some gloves, a narrow tint brush, a smaller flat brush about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in width, and you need a cape or an old t-shirt to prevent any stain of clothing. Once you're done applying the paste, you want to leave it on for about 3 hours and then rinse it out thoroughly with warm water. You want to massage in a little bit of conditioner. That kind of helps to get rid of any excess residue that you might have left. And then you want to rinse all that out with warm water. There are a few final things I want to point out. Sometimes the hairs can come out a little bit greenish depending on the dye color that you use, especially if the dye has some indigo in it. So this is a natural process that happens. Don't be alarmed. It takes about a day or so for all that to settle, and then you'll have your final hair color. Also, the best time to dye your beard is when you have a few hours to keep it on and then a day or so to let it settle. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like our video. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below, or you can visit us at silknstone.com.